Everybody, this is Lisa with your kick-ass news flash of what's up at American Eagle. What's up? It is rolling Milwaukee. What is up? It is the last weekend for Rolling Milwaukee. Have you entered yet? If not, you need to make sure you're here Saturday because it is also our one-day giveaway for our swag, which is going to be this kick-ass guitar and a set of wristbands for Sturgis 2023, staying at the Pappy Hole Campground. What else is going on Saturday? The Kings of the South are here for an anniversary party. We plan on having a kick-ass time. Hence is why we have the three-wheelers out. There's going to be three-wheeler races. There's going to be some bike games. There's going to be musical chairs. There's going to be some fun impromptu games. You need to come here and hang out with us. Triple Indy are going to be rocking the stage. We got food trucks. Sandy V's going to be here with her lemonade and their iced tea. We have the bike wash going on with the American girls. And of course, we have free beer. So all that is going on this Saturday. For those of you who are already in Sturgis, remember our friends Ashmore are going to be at the Pappy Hole Campground with a pool party on Thursday, August 11th at noon. Make sure you go check them out. And hey, if you happen to see B2 there, make sure you give them a high five. Sorry I won't see you guys. I'll see you guys all when you come back. Have a kick-ass day, everybody, and we will see you Saturday.